Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create this preset for your photos. Now you can see the preset on our before and after pictures. You can download this preset for free. To download, you need a password, which is shown twice in the upper right corner and consists of two parts. Password 1 and password 2. You need to combine the two parts of the password and remember it. Let's start creating the preset.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me when you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights. Breathe me in, go on and take your bite. Count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight.
The preset's ready. Now I will show you how to apply preset to photos. A preset is not always perfect for every photo, and sometimes you need to adjust the settings a little. Leave your request for new presets under this video, and we will definitely make the preset at your request absolutely free. Subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, write your requests for presets. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.